am not, are not, is not, ain't, they ain't joining. A lot of, a lot of students attend. Cup of, cuppa, would you like a cup of tea? Kind of, kinda, it's a kinda joke. She's kinda cute. Ought to, oughta, the rich oughta help the poor. Used to, used to. Ushan used to walk in the morning. Supposed to, supposed to. Zahid is supposed to come. Give me, give me, give me a glass of water. Give me some money. Let me, let me 5 minutes to solve it. Let me go. Want a, wanna, I wanna coffee. When to, wanna, I wanna go. Need to, needa, I need a visit my relative. Got to, gotta. Ushan gotta learn English. She hasn't got a penny. Have you got a car? Going to, gonna. We are gonna learn English. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. Have you, have to. They have to move now. Has to, has to. Ushan has to eat now. Should have, shoulda. Ushan shoulda informed me. Could have, coulda. We coulda tried. Must have, musta. They musta visit the remote area. Would have, woulda. We woulda arrived on time.
Bilingual Learning Center, BLC, Bogura.